Fits perfectly into dash opening. Plugs directly into car factory harness for rear defroster and illumination. Use factory spring clips to attach to radio and snap into dash. Wiring harness. 70-5715 for 98 to 99 models, sold separately. Ford. Taurus 1996 to 1999. Mercury. Sable 1996 to 1999. Made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. From tape deck to CD player in 3 hours. Installed this in my 06 Taurus SE yesterday, with a single DIN Pioneer deck, and I am beyond happy. Just for complete disclosure, I am a woman, moderately technically savvy, and very good at finding videos on Google to help me tackle most any problem. The hardest part was running the wiring from the trunk. It's a pain in the butt to maneuver it through all of those little tight spaces, from the speaker antenna hookup, through the back of the seat, down into the gutter underneath the driver's side rear door trim, to the driver's side front door trim gutter, up through the side dash panel, underneath the dash and up behind the hole that the new faceplate and deck will be going back into.